7 type of cough you must know it. Cough is conditioned protective mechanism, or a way for the body to clear the airway, that can happen to anyone. Although it seems trivial, in some conditions, coughing can be a symptom of a disease and needs to be treated seriously. In this video, we will discuss 7 types of cough that need to be known, along with the symptoms. Number 1. Post-nasal drip. This type of cough is caused by accumulated mucus and fills the area of the nose and throat. Under normal conditions, inside the nose and throat, there is mucus that functions to maintain moisture. However, when the amount of mucus produced is too much, the throat canal becomes blocked and causes coughing. Increased mucus production is usually triggered by cold temperatures or an allergy to something. That is why usually the cough will get worse at night. Number 2. GERD. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD, is a disorder in the production of acid in the stomach. Under normal conditions, stomach acid will only be in the stomach. But in GERD sufferers, stomach acid often rises to the throat. The rise of stomach acid into the throat can cause discomfort in the throat, which then causes coughing. 75% of GERD sufferers have a chronic cough, which is accompanied by other symptoms, such as hoarseness and heartburn. Number 3. Asthma cough. This type of cough is actually one of the symptoms which often arises in asthmatics. Who have inflammation of the respiratory tract, so that makes him cough when he has difficulty breathing. Usually, coughing occurs at night or when feeling exhausted. Number 4. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, caused by the presence of airway blockages and disturbances in the air sacs in the lungs. People with this disease will usually experience symptoms of a prolonged cough with phlegm, which often occurs in the morning. Another symptom that may accompany is shortness of breath, easily tired, and pain in the chest. Number 5. Cough due to medicine. In addition to being a symptom of a disease, cough can also occur as an effect of the consumption of some types of drugs, like for example drugs for high blood pressure. But if the cough that occurs is severe enough, you'd better discuss with the doctor to choose another appropriate medicine. Number 6. Pneumonia. Pneumonia is a disease caused by viral and bacterial infections. Symptoms are a dry cough, that in a few days can turn into a cough with phlegm by secreting green, yellow, or bluish-red mucus. People with pneumonia also usually have a fever and shortness of breath. Number 7. Pertussis. Pertussis is a serious respiratory infection which causes violent coughing fits. The initial symptom of pertussis is a cough that tends to be violent, with a long initial inhalation through the mouth. In some conditions, this cough may also be accompanied by other symptoms such as watery eyes, fever, and a runny nose. This whooping cough can occur for quite a long time, even more than 3 months.